Y'all look, it is so good with the syrup all over it. So it's like a French toast. Oh my goodness. Hey y'all, it's your girl Fiona. I can only be me, and I am coming at you with a breakfast sandwich today. Y'all, this is a breakfast sandwich that I had toast and I wanted to try it. So, and I'm kind of thinking that this is the same breakfast sandwich that my sister was telling y'all about, because she explained it to me, but I was on YouTube and the sandwich came up on the timeline. So I'm not gonna post this until I ask her, you know, if this is the sandwich, but I'm gonna let her post hers first. But I got a good idea that this is the same sandwich, because she wouldn't tell me exactly how it was made, but the way she was describing it, I think this is the sandwich. Alright, so anyway, what I'm doing is I'm cooking my sausages, and I'm adding some bacon to the pan, because this is going to be a sausage, egg, and bacon breakfast omelet sandwich. I don't know what the name of it is, to tell you the truth. It's a breakfast omelet sandwich. Breakfast omelet sandwich. That sounds good to me. Alright. So, put me some bacon in my pan. And I'm going to get this bacon cooked up. Y'all, that's that bacon I had found for $1 at my local grocery store. Pretty good bacon too. Okay. So, let's see it. Right there. Alright, so when I get this bacon in, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all my faithful, loyal family members. I appreciate y'all for being here. I hope y'all is having a great, wonderful, fantastic day / week. So, I'm going to let these sausages brown up, let the bacon get a little crisp to them. When it's all finished, I'll be back. Okay, so now what you're going to need is 3 eggs cracked in a bowl. And you're going to add you a little milk to stretch it on out. This part is going to be for the omelet. I'm going to add some of my hey dust to it. You can add you some salt and pepper, and that's about it, but I'm going to add hey dust. So you're going to get this all mixed up and have this ready, so that when the bacon and the sausage gets ready, we can move on to the next step. Now I have my bacon and sausage all cooked and ready to go. You cook your bacon to how crunchy you like it, but mine is crunchy but not too crunchy. So now in my pan, I'm going to take me some onion and bell pepper, and I'm going to saute those up. You can also add tomato, mushroom, whatever you like. Build it the way that you like your omelet, okay? That's how you're going to do it. Just like you like your omelet, build it the way you like your omelet. So I'm trying bell pepper in mine this time, because Grandma, she want to try the bell pepper. And I'm curious to how it tastes as well with bell pepper. She says she likes bell peppers in hers. So, but I'm trying it for the first time. So I'm just cooking the bell peppers and onions off in this bacon fat. And I'm going to let these saute down until they get translucent and tender. Okay? So when they get to that point, I'll be right back. The bell pepper is translucent. The bell pepper and onions, they're tender now. And they ready to go. Got the bacon and the sausage ready. So now we're moving on to the next step. So now what you're going to do is add you some butter to your pan, and you're going to need a pan that's going to be big enough to fit 2 slices of bread in, okay, at the same time. Alright, so we're going to melt this butter around in the pan. like so. The butter is melted. So now you're going to need to take your eggs and pour them right down in the pan. Have your eye kind of like on a medium so that this don't cook too fast on you. So you're going to take one slice of your bread, dip it, and lay it on that side. You're going to take the other slice of bread and dip it on one side, soak the bread, and lay it on that side. Okay? So now we're going to wait on this to form up around the edges, just like an omelet, so we can flip it over. You see the loose, I'm moving that around. The loose liquid, I'm moving it around to get it cooked as well. Y'all can see the parsley and everything throughout the hey dust. Gonna be so delicious. Okay, so now the edges is forming up on them. It ain't all the way ready on this side, but this side is getting there. So I'm just pushing it down from around the edges, you know, bringing it on together a little bit. Continuously letting this cook. Okay. So I'm gonna let this cook up a little bit more, just to get the edges firm enough. So you see how it's shaking around? I want the whole thing to move around without even sticking. You know, breaking apart on the wetter side. That side is a little bit wetter, so I'm gonna let it firm up a little bit more. You want to be able to slide your spatula right up under it without any problems. Okay? So, this side is a little bit more firmer than that side. But I'm going to try to flip this real quick. 1, 2, 3. Flip it over just like that. I had one little end to come off. But we're going to get that from up under there. Put it over here on this side. Flip that back down. And now you're going to let the underside brown. So now we're about to dress this up, okay? So in this one, I'm going to take some sausage and put it in there. A little bell pepper and onion. Some bacon. My pan sliding off the stove. Some bacon. Like so. Take that little bit of onion, bell pepper, egg. I'm going to throw that right on the inside of this here. I'm going to add a little bit more onion and bell pepper. You can add some mushrooms, cheese, whatever you want to add. Whatever you want to add, make it your own. Okay, so now you're going to take this in. Hold on, let me flip that in right there. The little extra egg on the outside. I'm going to take that and put it right on the inside. Okay, so now you're going to take that and fold it over like so. Just like that. And now I'm going to turn it over on this side. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. See, if there was some cheese in here, it'll help hold it together. So now we're just going to let the outside cook, brown up nicely. And I'm going to come back and show you another one. So I have another one that I'm about to do. The butter is melted in my pan. Pour in the eggs. Take 2 slices of bread, dip one side, lay it back in there. Dip the other side. Uh-oh. Okay. And lay it back in there. And now we're going to let the sides firm up. Y'all see that one? So now to this one, we're going to give it a good flip. Oh yes, that turned out good, y'all. That flipped that time, baby. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add us some cheese. We're going to add some Kobe Monterey Jack cheese. Add whatever kind of cheese that you would like. But I am adding the Kobe Monterey Jack. And I like mine cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. A cheesy, cheesy omelet, okay? Alright. Then I'm going to add some of this mild cheddar to it as well. Y'all listen. There's 2 things that taste good. A cheesy omelet, cheesy macaroni and cheese, okay? So now I'm going to take some bell peppers and onions, not too many. I'm gonna add me some bacon to this. Okay, add some sausage, like that. Fold those ends in. Like so. Bring this on across this way. Just like that. And now we're just gonna let that melt. Let everything just melt right on in there. Look at that. Look at that there, y'all. Y'all, this is the omelet. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all try it. Until next time, this is your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And stay tuned for the pictures in the end. I'm looking rough, y'all, but we finna eat breakfast. So let's get mouth distance and see what it tastes like. This is it right here, y'all. Okay. Y'all look at that. With the bacon and the cheese, bell peppers. Ooh, That's good. That's real good. Oh yeah. One more bite. Some of the best I ever had. That's good, y'all. Y'all should try. Alright, y'all. Love y'all.